you close your eyes.
Meet Ido.
What can I do for you today?
Ido is a part of your family.
Good morning.
He's an intelligent, capable, and affordable companion.
Morning, Ido. What's going on today?
He can do just about anything. The help you have always wanted. A handyman.
I need some light.
A teacher. A friend.
This is fun.
He is perfect in every way. He can be just about anyone. A carer.
Thank you, Ido.
A homemaker. He's a personal butler who's trustworthy. He is whatever you want him to be.
Ido, can you show me the Milky Way story?
Sure. I started off as an idea to make cutting-edge robotics friendly and useful to the home, while being affordable. I have been overwhelmed by all the love and recognition I have received so far. Now, I need your help and support to make me really great. Adopt me as your new companion at home.
CNN, ABC News, CBC, Inside Edition, and more have all reported on the scary amount of bacteria and germs in hotel rooms. The CleanseBot is a pocket-sized, smart robot designed to sanitize and disinfect any surface, including your bed and blankets, using UVC light. CleanseBot is the first all-in-one cleaning robot that you can take on all of your adventures. With built-in artificial intelligence, 18 sensors, and 3 different modes, the CleanseBot might just be the smartest thing you pack. In under blanket mode, you just put your CleanseBot on the bed, touch one button, and let it sanitize and disinfect your bed for either 30 or 60 minutes at a time, no matter what type of mattress or blanket you have. Using patent-pending wheel technology, the robot will be able to climb over any lumps and bumps in the sheets and never fall off the bed. In handheld mode, Just pick up your CleanseBot and the sensors will detect your hand, and use the bottom UVC lights to disinfect light switches, kitchen and bathroom surfaces, cell phones, keyboards, and even children and pet toys. The CleanseBot can run and disinfect for 3 hours on a single charge. When you're traveling, you always pack your portable charger. Instead of having to pack another device, the CleanseBot has a power bank mode with a 3700 mAh battery and a USB-C port with flash charging for faster charging times. Experts at the National Institute of Health, Columbia University, and Time, as well as many others, have shown how UVC light kills 99.99% of bacteria, germs, and mold, and can even fight the spread of airborne viruses. Worry-free traveling can be yours. Grab the super smart CleanseBot and guard against germs no matter where you are.
Cleaning the toilet again? We invented technology that cleans the floor, cleans windows, trims the lawn, washes dishes, and cleans the laundry. But only for the assignment we hate the most, there's no solution. Until now. Introducing Spinex, a revolutionary toilet cleaning robot that cleans your toilet bowl and seat automatically in just 90 seconds. Spinex was designed to make your toilet cleaning experience more efficient. At the touch of a button, it makes your toilet clean and shiny. A smart sensor scans your toilet shape, and a smart robotic arm goes out of a hidden cell and gets to every spot in the bowl. Equipped with a jet of water and soap, the brush rapidly rotates even underwater. Dirt and bacteria don't have a chance. You won't need to take care of anything. The brush cleans and dries itself, killing up to 99.99% bacteria. Even the seat gets clean. Soap and water jets are washing the seat thoroughly, followed by a compressed air drying it perfectly. And when it's all done, Spinex returns back to its elegant and luxurious look. Spinex operates on low power consumption. Every 30 sessions, charge the battery and add your favorite soap. Spinex is suitable for every toilet. Even at the office, you can continue to take care of your business instead of your toilet and save precious time. Forget about cleaning the toilet forever. Perfect cleaning has never been easier. Spinex, the world's first automatic toilet cleaning robot.
Hi, my name is Ariel.
And I'm Hila. We have 4 children and we hate to clean the toilet.
That's why we created Spinex. We've built an amazing team of engineers and designers, and we've created a smart product that saves time and effort.
We have completed the design and have sourced the manufacturers. Now we are ready to make the last adjustments and go to production.
When I was a kid, after seeing Johnny No. 5 Robot from the movie Short Circuit, it has always been my dream to build a robot for every family one day. Therefore, we've been working on how to make a robot that's affordable for everybody. In fact, our first movable tablet robot was finished in 2014. But that wasn't enough for us. We kept on thinking what other possibilities our robot could provide, aside from the existing functions. And that's how Robelf, your moving monitor guardian, was born. You can schedule Robelf for home security patrol. Robelf's moving monitoring system can use its indoor positioning function even outside the house to do image analyzing, abnormal notification, and remote monitoring for basic security purposes. So no more worrying when no one's at home.
Hey Mandy,
Oh, Robelf.
why are you still in the office?
Oh, sorry, forgot to tell Robel I have to work all the time.
We expect Robelf not to be just a partner. It needs to provide more innovative functions. Robelf can charge itself.
Oh, I am so tired.
The iBeacon Bluetooth transmitter system that is integrated inside the charging station will signal Robelf to return to the charging dock each time it runs out of power. The home monitoring system will still be active, even when Robelf is charging. Robelf's family member system is integrated with facial recognition.
Robelf, I'm back.
Do you want to hear Mom and Sweetie's voicemail now?
Honey, I'll go buy something. If you're hungry, there's pizza in the fridge. I'll be back later, love you.
We also want Robelf to guard the family memories, just like a family guardian. Robelf's interactive entertainment system can take your voice commands.
Robelf, what story are we going to tell tonight?
You choose. Pinocchio, the Three Little Pigs? Or do you want to hear again Lisa's favorite, the Greedy Elephant?
Daddy, I want Mommy with us.
Robelf has a detachable back camera, the Elfi. It helps Robelf to record family movies. The rack designed for the Elfi allows you to get the best shot angles. You can also use Robelf to preview images from the Elfi. Everyone is connected with zero distance. Robelf's robotic structure design is patented. The neck of the robot has a 90-degree angle movement flexibility, so even adults can easily use the touchscreen while standing up. The removable camera can be placed anywhere in the house. On the back of the camera, a memory stick and battery is attached to it and can be placed anywhere in the house to film and take photos. Robelf uses anti-noise microphones, allowing it to easily locate the person speaking to Robelf and record the voice from the speaker while the person is giving a command. The Life Assistant function allows Robelf to give any information you might be interested in, such as the weather or news.
Hey, Robelf. Good morning.
Morning. Papa, Seattle's weather today is 70% of rain. Remember your umbrella?
Okay, thank you.
In addition to that, you can even schedule a daily lesson for your cute little girl.
Do you want to start your daily lessons now?
Okay.
Do you know the biggest animal in the world? The whale.
The past 4 years, our team has been working on making this robot more advanced, and now we invite you to join us together to make this robot come to life.
Hi, I'm Joe Jones, inventor of Turtle. 15 years ago, I created Roomba, a small, user-friendly robot that cleans home floors all by itself. Since Roomba's amazing success, I've been looking for opportunities for other practical robots. I found a great one in the garden. It's called Turtle. Turtle is a robot that eliminates weeds. It's solar-powered, chemical-free, and waterproof. Every day it charges itself in the sun, and when it has enough energy, it goes patrolling for weeds.
My name's Rory McKean. I'm the CEO of Franklin Robotics. Turtle uses the height of the plant to decide if it's good or if it's bad. If it's taller than an inch, it leaves it alone. If it's smaller than an inch, it cuts it. Turtle has two methods of removing weeds. The first is a small nylon string on the bottom of the robot that spins rapidly to cut the weeds. The second is the design of the wheels. As the robot drives around, the wheels scrub the surface of the soil, damaging pre-emergent weeds.
Turtle doesn't need to pull weeds because it chops them every day. Even if a chopped weed sprouts again, Turtle will keep chopping it down until it runs out of stored energy and dies.
There's no mapping or programming required for Turtle. You put the robot in the garden, press go, and the robot takes care of the rest. Turtle uses Bluetooth to talk to the user's smartphone.
There's an app that accompanies Turtle. Through the app, you can learn about conditions in your garden and what Turtle has been doing.
Because Turtle cuts the weeds every day, the clippings are small, so they fall back onto the ground and shrivel up, returning the nutrients to the soil. To inform Turtle that you want to keep a small plant, you put one of the provided plant collars around the seedling. This lets Turtle know that it's a desired plant. Once the plant is larger, you can remove the collar if you like.
Turtle collects some energy even on cloudy days, and it uses its energy very carefully. Thus, it can keep operating through extended cloudy periods. Turtle is helped by the fact that weeds can't grow very fast when there's no sun.
Turtle can easily cover the typical garden size in the US, which is about 100 square feet. Given favorable soil conditions or sunny climates, Turtle is able to cover more area than that.
Turtle is round, it's short, it has four-wheel drive and extreme camber wheels. Those are all design choices that improve Turtle's mobility in the garden.
Turtle requires a barrier to keep it from wandering away from the garden. This could be the edge of a raised bed, a chicken wire fence, or some other type of border.